So you might as well go the extra mile and think about the context of use. Where's the user using it? What else is going on? What would be helpful to them? And you gain these insights from user observations and research, going to those places and spaces, being in that place, the airport, the hotel, where someone's trying to log in with their phone, and going through that experience, or having them do it and you observe them, maybe talking to them and seeing what their experiences have been with your domain. If you're designing something for a hospital, go to the hospital, go to the waiting room. If you're designing something for a waiting room experience, I talked to a friend who was designing something for a waiting room experience, and they were trying to gamify so that you know where you are and you're not pushed. So it's almost like a leaderboard. You're next up with the doctor. I was like, in a waiting room. What's in a waiting room? Screaming kids, sick kids. You're sick, maybe your arm's broken. Sitting in a chair with other people. There's a social pressure in that situation. So how could you lighten that up, make it a little less tense? How can you make it a little bit more engaging and therefore make it more pleasurable or more joyful to sort of wait for the doctor and know how long you have to wait? And it's not that thinking is not impossible, but I had to go there in my mind. I'll go to where the user is in my mind if I'm brainstorming. But usually I don't do this by brainstorming. I do this by going to places and spaces and observing and bringing that back to my design process. And that is the most important thing.